Hello, Navaratri wishes to you all. Welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Lata and
Amu. Today we are going to make a payasam recipe. No matter how many varieties of sweets we taste, traditional sweets taste and aroma is special. One such sweet is Pasiparapu Jaggery Payasam. This sweet you can make not only during Navaratri festival but all times for the family. Let's see how to make this Pasiparapu Jaggery Payasam in the right method.
Before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video.
First we need to boil the moong dal. For that, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, and a cup of washed moong dal to it. It should turn into a nice golden brown color. The raw smell should go away. That's how the payasam will be good. It's enough to fry this much. At this stage, add 4 cups of water for 1 cup of moong dal. Cook until you get 2 whistles. For us in the cooker, we cook for 2 whistles. You adjust accordingly to the water you use. You can cook in a pan as well, but don't overcook it. Now let's cook until we get 2 whistles. For 1 cup of moong dal, use 3 cups of pagu jaggery and melt it using 1 cup of water. For 3 cups of jaggery, 1 cup of water is enough. It should dissolve well. Let's filter the syrup and cook the jaggery. Next, add half tablespoon of ghee and half cup of nylon jaggery.
How long should I fry this? What do you want to fry this?
It will be good for if you fry it and does not stick with each other. Fry until the crispy stage. This jaggery you should measure in the same cup you used for moong dal. For 1 cup moong dal, you take half cup of jaggery. 4 cups of water to boil the moong dal. Then 1 cup of water for the jaggery. 4 cups of water for jaggery. Total 9 cups of water.
Ammo, it's cooked enough.
Now add 4 cups of water. You don't have to cook jaggery fully. Just half the way is enough because we are going to cook again with moong dal. If you go overcook, it becomes too sticky.
You should keep stirring while you cook, otherwise it will stick to the pan.
Now this is cooked enough. Let's see if the dal is cooked. The dal is now cooked. Just mash it lightly. Don't smash too hard. Just do it lightly so that when we eat, those dal will taste delicious. Now add the moong dal with the jaggery. Mix the moong dal with the jaggery well for a minute. Then add the melted jaggery and boil it for 2 minutes. After boiling it for 2 minutes, add 1 cup of coconut milk from half a coconut. Its thick milk will give you very good flavor. Now add the coconut milk and cook for 1 minute. 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well and cook for 1 minute.
You don't have to worry about the coconut milk going rancid. If you mix it in low flame, it will be fine.
Don't think it will be too watery just because you have been using so much water. As it cooks, it will thicken. Now, moong dal, jaggery, coconut milk all are mixed well. Let boil for 1 minute and set aside. Now, let's fry the cashew nuts and raisins needed for the payasam. Add 2.5 tablespoons of ghee to it. Small pieces of coconut from quarter coconut and roast it. Add 10 cashew nuts. Then add 10 raisins. Roast it together and add it to the payasam and mix it well. Super delicious Pasiparapu Jaggery Payasam ready. Please try making it.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thank you.